I'm gonna tell you the most epic 5 minutes of my life right now, including my brother. Best bonding experience, I swear to God. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So my parents left us alone in the house with our new puppy. And he's so cute. But no, as soon as my parents left, oh, he was a monster, okay? We took him outside to go, for a walk. And then we brought him back inside. And he's just running around all over the place. He's like biting him like crazy. Yeah. And then, this was this is like one of those movie moments where like you're watching a comedy movie and just everything possible goes wrong. Everything goes wrong. Let me show you. Yeah, come on, just keep your leg down. Come on.
I can.
Keep your leg down. Come here. Castle, come here. Stop. Castle, stop.
Get the spray. Get the spray.
Put your leg down.
Get the spray. Get the spray.
No, come on. Put your leg over. Put your one leg over. Come on, let's go.
Get the spray. No. God.
Oh my God, wait, you want me to get you? Oh my God, you want me to get you a paper towel with water? I am so sorry.
Damn, fuck yeah.
Here, let me see. Okay, here, you want me to get you water?
Whatever hurt.
Here.
Ow. Oh.
Here. Come here. Okay.
I just got it.
Sorry, this thing's right here. Come here.
Good.
Ready? Come here. Ready?
Ow.
Wait, no, boom.
Oh my, Albert, you put me in the eyes.
Come here.
You don't have your hand. On my nose.
Sorry.
He's biting me again. Aaron, stop it. He's biting me again.
Wait, no, Castle, stop. Castle.
Ow.
Castle, stop.
He bit me so bad I farted. Where's my towel?
Oh, that feels so good.
Sorry, he bit me so badly.
Castle, come here. Castle, come here. Castle, one more time.
Castle.
And he peed in his cage. Again! God, that dog! Look how cute he is.
So cute.
Look at him. Tickle.